Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful headband for 1 year baby girl. So I am using a 3-ply crystal yarn and a 5 mm steel crochet hook size for my project. So first of all, make a slip knot and then we would make chains with the help of crochet hook. You can use a 4-ply yarn instead of 3-ply also using a largest size crochet hook. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, chain 10. In this way make required number of chains. So I have made 110 chains and my number of chains are 8 inches in folding, which is the required circumference for 1 year baby girl. Now take the right side of chain and we would make a slip stitch into the very first chain. Then we would start our first round. So make sure you don't have any twist in the chain and your number of chains would be 8 inches in circumference. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, which will be counted as our first treble crochet stitch. Now we would work into the second chain, which is after the chain where we have made slip stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times, go into the second chain and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first, then pull the yarn through other 2 loops and then through other 2 loops. This is our treble crochet or a triple crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times again, go into the next chain, which is third chain, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2, pull the yarn through 2 and then pull the yarn through 2 loops to make a treble crochet or a triple crochet stitch. Go into the fourth chain and make a triple crochet into it by pulling the yarn through 2 loops 3 times. Now make a triple crochet into the fifth chain, then make a triple crochet into the sixth chain. Remember to weave the starting yarn end in these stitches so that we don't have to weave it separately, and make a treble crochet in every chain 1 time. After weaving this yarn in few stitches, cut it with the help of cutter and now complete this round. So I have made treble crochets in all chains. Now make a slip stitch into the fourth chain and our treble crochet round is completed. Now we would make border. Make chain 1, make a single crochet into the same chain 4 where we have made slip stitch. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go inside this single crochet stitch in the middle of the stitch and then draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Into the same single crochet stitch make double crochet 2, then make double crochet 3 into the same single crochet stitch. Now skip 1, 2, 3 stitches and then make a single crochet into the fourth stitch like this. Now we will work in this space behind this single crochet stitch. So make chain 2, go into the space behind this single crochet stitch, make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Now again skip 1, 2 and then 3 stitches. Into the fourth one make a single crochet, then make 2 chains and work this in the space behind single crochet stitch. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, skip 1, 2 and then 3 treble crochet stitches and make a single crochet into the fourth one. Make 2 chains, make single crochet 1, then single crochet 2 and single crochet 3 in the space behind single crochet stitch and this border. Skip 3 stitches again and make a single crochet into the fourth stitch. So this is our border pattern which is mostly used on blankets. So complete this border on this side and then on this side also with the same pattern. So I have made border on both sides. In the end we would finish this border edging by making a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this border pattern. Now cut the yarn strand with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave these yarn ends with the help of a tapestry needle or yarn needle, and on the other side of this headband we would join these 2 layer flowers. We would join 3 flowers and this flower tutorial is available on my channel. You can just check it out. Link will be available in the description box. Remember to add any button or bead in the center for embellishment with the help of tapestry needle. So I have joined flowers and bead and I have woven the extra yarn strands also. Now I am using this ribbon and we would pass this smaller sized baby ribbon into the headband with the help of this needle which is flat from front side. You can use a plastic yarn needle also so that stitches may not get entangled into the needle. You can just pass the needle from upside to downside in few of the stitches. You can just pass the needle from 4 to 5 stitches and take the right side of ribbon upward also, which is a shiny side, and then just pass the ribbon from middle of back side, from the flower side we would skip more stitches because these stitches are woven because of flowers. So in this way we would pass ribbon with the help of needle through all of our headband and we would make it tight and even. Now cut the ribbon with the help of cutter and our headband is ready. You can just make a knot according to the baby's head side. So our beautiful headband is ready, and with this headband frock tutorial for 1 year baby girl same jacket tutorial, summer shoes, winter shoes and cap tutorial is also available on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to get them. Thank you so much for watching.